be a day which brings every person of every religion, every faith together, celebrating the feast of Our Lady of Remedios, but more so commonly understood as the feast of the Three Kings. And on this occasion, I wish all the people who have come here, and those even who haven't been able to come here, those on account of some other problems are unable to come, would be happy to be here, have been coming here over the years. So we wish them also, and those who are abroad because of different situations, तांची गोडची बी भायल्या गांवांनी आसात, तांकांय आमची पोरबी आमी पाठयता रेमेद साहेबिनीचे विनवणेन सगळ्या गोरब्यांक देवाचे आशीर्वाद फावो जावं. And may every family, may it be in Goa, may it be in India or any corner of the world, may all the families be happy. May Mother Mary protect them and be with them always.
Deva amcia mogar bapa Aiz amin tuka betong bangar tung anin gon ros yon yong now bogor goan so undo anin datan so soro ya denen cha rupan Jesus Christa tuja puta amin bavarta nor kotao tachem bolidan kurtao anita kam cha otmik posonan amin getao तुझे पवित्र शुभेच्छा या देणे cer तुझी दयाळ दिष्ट गाव म्हूण आमी मागता आमच्या सोमिया जेसूचे नांवी आमेन.